For many Floridians, there is nothing better than being out on the water. This listing is for a wholesale textile manufacturer specializing in marine canvas, supporting the enduring popularity of the boating industry. The business manufactures high-quality boat covers, cushions, awnings, and much more, shipping them all over the United States. This business is currently achieving annual revenues over $475,000 and an owner benefit over $110,000. The asking price on this business is $310,000, which includes $60,000 in inventory and $135,000 worth of equipment. "21 years under the current ownership have seen this business grow an excellent reputation for quality service and workmanship, as well as a large and loyal base of wholesale customers. The business is fully equipped and ready to start working on day one under a new owner. If you think that this could be the right business opportunity for you, give us a call or send us an email, and we will be very happy to speak with you and provide further details. Thank you.